pantry serves as an ideal storage space for various household items, including daily groceries, cooking essentials, and snacks. In this video, we'll show you 17 best pantry organizers on Amazon. Let's get started. Organize your kitchen with the Ankou Pop Airtight food storage containers. The unique one-button pop design allows for easy, one-handed opening and closing. Just press the central button. These containers are truly airtight, keeping your food fresh and preventing leaks even when turned upside down. They're perfect for storing everything from dry goods like flour and cereal to liquids and leftovers. Stack these containers to maximize your storage space in the fridge, freezer, cupboard, or closet. The clear plastic design lets you easily identify contents without opening each container. Maximize your storage space with Titan Mall stackable storage bins. Each bin measures 14.56 inches long, 12.2 inches wide, and 7.08 inches high, perfectly sized for efficient organization. Stack these bins to create more vertical storage. 4 bins stacked only reach 9.5 inches high. The space-saving design allows for versatile use in pantries, shelves, closets, or any area of your home. With an open front, your items remain easily accessible even when stacked. These multi-purpose bins aren't just for food. Use them for clothing, toys, cleaning supplies, or electronics in any room. This set includes 2 1.06-quart rectangular containers, perfect for storing a variety of dry goods like flour, sugar, rice, nuts, and more. These containers feature a smart one-click seal lid. Simply press down to lock and lift up to open. No complicated hinges to deal with. The patented double silicone structure ensures 100% airtightness, completely eliminating leaks. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free plastic and eco-friendly silicone, these containers are light, durable, and resistant to stains and odors. They're safe for use in the microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, and freezer, making them incredibly versatile. This set of 4 bins, each measuring 14.5 inches by 11 inches by 7 inches, is designed to keep your essentials organized and visible. Perfect for foods, toys, utensils, and toiletries, these bins maintain their shape without bending. TidyFriend bins are space-saving champions. They fit snugly into small corners and spaces in kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and offices. When empty, they nest inside each other, saving even more space. Unlike other storage solutions, TidyFriend features an open front design. This smart feature allows you to easily access your items without removing the bins stacked on top. Organize your space efficiently with CTSNSLH stackable storage bins. Each bin measures 15.35 inches by 11 inches by 8.27, providing a generous 93-quart total capacity. These versatile containers are perfect for storing clothes, office supplies, art materials, toys, snacks, and more, making them ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, offices, and classrooms. Unlike traditional bulky storage, CTSNSLH bins feature 4 bottom wheels for easy mobility. Lock the rear wheels to keep the unit in place. When not in use, these bins fold flat for compact storage in wardrobes or car trunks. This versatile storage solution features adjustable shelves that accommodate all sizes of bottles, including travel mugs with handles and larger sport bottles. Short on space? Simply place the shelves closer together for a tighter fit. Designed for stability, the organizer has soft, non-slip feet to keep it in place, while grooved shelving prevents bottles from rolling. You'll never lose a bottle at the back of your cabinet again. The durable steel wires and sturdy shelves can hold up to 15 pounds, maximizing vertical space by storing bottles horizontally. This versatile organizer features a 3-layer design, providing ample space for all your makeup essentials and helping you bid farewell to cluttered counters. Assembly is a breeze, making it an excellent investment for both professional makeup artists and those looking to streamline their morning routines. The 360-degree rotating design ensures easy access to all your cosmetics and perfumes with just a simple turn. This multifunctional organizer isn't limited to just makeup storage. Use it on your dresser, bathroom countertop, or anywhere you need efficient storage. Crafted from 100% natural, renewable water hyacinth, these versatile baskets help reduce environmental impact while adding a touch of rustic charm to your space. Use them in the kitchen for spices, onions, or canned goods, in the living room for magazines, tablets, or games, or in any room that needs a storage boost. The simple, open design keeps contents neatly stored, yet easily accessible. 2 wooden handles ensure secure and comfortable carrying. These hand-woven baskets may vary slightly in size, adding to their unique artisanal appeal. This efficient storage solution measures 17 inches wide, 11.5 inches deep, and 13.75 inches high, fitting comfortably in most cabinets or pantry shelves. Designed for versatility, this organizer can store up to 36 cans or a variety of jars and beverages. 6 adjustable plastic dividers allow you to customize the space for different sizes, keeping everything neatly aligned and easily accessible. Assembly is a breeze. No hardware required. Simply snap the pieces together, and you're ready to organize in minutes. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use, while the stackable design lets you expand your storage vertically by adding multiple units. This beautifully crafted box brings order to your tea collection and more, saving you time and enhancing your brewing experience. Featuring a double-layer design, this organizer offers ample storage with 9 compartments. The upper layer boasts 6 square sections, each holding up to 15 tea bags. Below, a removable drawer with 3 adjustable long sections provides versatile storage for sugar packets, coffee pods, or accessories. Measuring 10.5 inches long, 8.3 inches wide, and 6.3 inches high, this organizer accommodates a variety of tea time essentials. The hinged, clear acrylic lid allows easy access and at-a-glance visibility of your collection. This smart solution keeps your home tidy and organized, perfect for fridges, cupboards, shelves, bathrooms, and countertops. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this crystal-clear organizer allows you to easily spot your items. Its durable construction resists stains and odors, making it both stylish and practical. Experience effortless access with the 360-degree smooth spinning design. Built with stainless steel ball bearings, this Lazy Susan rotates smoothly even when fully loaded, without scratching your furniture. Measuring 13 inches in diameter and 1.5 inches high, this organizer is perfectly sized for daily use. This cleverly designed unit offers versatile storage for everything from canned goods to cleaning supplies. Crafted from durable paint-finished steel, this organizer features a full extension ball-bearing sliding base for smooth, easy access. It's compatible with most ventilated shelving units and standard cabinetry, mounting directly onto wire shelving or hard surfaces. Measuring 16 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 5 inches high, this organizer boasts an impressive 33-pound weight capacity. A removable PIVA liner is included to protect against leaks and spills, ensuring your shelves stay clean. These versatile, stackable containers are designed to keep your pantry neat and your food fresh. From cereal and pasta to flour and even dog food, these containers can handle it all. Experience superior freshness with the 4-hinge locking system, creating an airtight, watertight seal between container and lid. This innovative design prevents spills and keeps your dry goods and liquids fresh for longer. Each container is crystal clear, allowing easy identification of contents. The set comes with bonus chalkboard labels, markers, and plastic spoons, making organization a breeze. This slim, versatile bin is the perfect solution for organizing small items in cabinets, behind doors, or under sinks. Crafted from high-quality metal wire mesh, this organizer offers durability and style. The premium powder coating ensures long-lasting use, resisting rust and corrosion. Its open design provides easy visibility and access to your items. Versatility is key with this organizer. Use it in the kitchen for lids and spices, in the bathroom for grooming products, or in the office for stationery. Its slim profile fits perfectly in narrow spaces, bringing order to every room. Bring order to your kitchen with Seseno food storage organizer bins. These versatile, stackable containers are designed to maximize space and simplify organization in any room of your home. Each bin measures 10.5 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 3.5 inches high, featuring 4 generously sized sections. This practical design is perfect for storing a variety of items, from snacks and tea bags to vitamins and office supplies. Crafted from durable, 100% food-safe, BPA-free plastic, these shatter-resistant bins are built to last. Their stackable design allows for efficient use of vertical space, while the clear material ensures easy visibility of contents. This ingenious organizer taps into unused space beneath your shelves, providing a simple yet effective solution for decluttering small apartments or rooms with limited storage. Versatile and practical, these baskets aren't just for kitchens. While perfect for storing plastic wrap and paper plates, they're equally at home in laundry rooms, holding cleaning rags and towels. The possibilities are endless. Installation couldn't be easier. No tools required. Simply clip the basket onto your shelf and start organizing. Designed for efficient use of space, these baskets fit shelves up to 1.3 inches thick. Transform cluttered drawers into neatly organized spaces with this versatile bamboo organizer set. Perfect for clothing, kitchen items, or office supplies, these dividers allow you to customize your storage to fit your needs. Create smaller compartments for tiny items or larger spaces for bulkier belongings. The set includes 4 adjustable drawer separators, each measuring up to 21.5 inches in length and 2.3 inches deep. This expandable design lets you maximize every inch of drawer space, making it ideal for nurseries, closets, or anywhere you need efficient storage.